Hi everyone, I am Bhargavi and this is my father Anjaiah garu. My father had a problem with his right knee. Uh, he was having a lot of pain and unable to perform his daily activities. So we consulted Dr. K J Reddy garu in Apollo Hospital Jubilee Hills. He suggested for total knee replacement operation and we went with it, and doctor received us very well, and he gave a lot of confidence to my father that he would recover fully after the surgery, and that confidence really helped my father to go ahead with the surgery. And after surgery he got fully recovered in just 2 months, and there are no post-operation complications. He is able to do all his daily activities now, uh, he, without any pain or anything. And when he was in hospital, hospital staff and all, they received and provided services very well when we were admitted. And I strongly recommend KJ Reddy garu for knee replacement operations. Thank you, Apollo. Thank you, sir.